Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be talking about some of my more like household kind of Temu products that I've mentioned in different types of hauls, but are not really like makeup related. So these are products like a little like water spray, some like hair bands, a phone case, earrings, like things like that for like lifestyle products from Temu. Let's get into it. If you want to see the products that I love and the products that I hated, just keep on watching. I did have my hair down, but I was not feeling it, girl. It's getting hot already, and it's literally almost 9 a.m. but it's so hot. So let's start off with the little pink basket. It was part of like one of my most recent haul video from Temu. Honestly, didn't think it was going to be this small, but honestly it's really come in handy. I use it for when I'm preparing for my YouTube videos, for like other makeup videos. I just throw products in here, and it definitely holds quite a bit of products. Really love it, love the size, and I love the color. So this I've really been enjoying. I'm gonna have all these products linked down below as well before I forget to mention it later on, but this is so good, and it's really nice and sturdy as well. Like, it's not really like cheaply made or anything. It's a really good quality basket. Next product is my phone case. So this is the Hello Kitty phone case I talked about in, again, one of my latest haul videos. This is a little Hello Kitty one. They also do have two other variations of this phone case. It is silicone. It's really nice. It's really flexible as well. Now this is not one that I can film with because it does have that like Hello Kitty is kind of like sticking up, but you know, besides that, it's a really nice. I've gotten many compliments on this phone case. It's really cute. It's also really inexpensive, so you're not gonna break the bank for a phone case, and it's really cute as well. Now I have noticed that a bunch of like little hairs kind of stick onto it, as you can see, but it is quite easy to just like wipe it off with a makeup wipe or whatever. So this is really nice. Again, really cheap and affordable. They have so many other cute affordable phone cases on Temu, so definitely check them out. But this one here is for the, I think, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I think that's what I buy them under, and it's really cute. All right, next we have the perfumes from Temu. So both of them are like their little like bear perfumes. This one here is definitely my most favorite, and it is called just their baby bear perfume. It's just their pink one. I think it comes in different variations, but basically this one gives me very much nostalgia vibes back to like high school times, more like body spray vibes. This one is really cute to carry in my purse, and also smells really nice. So this one definitely is more on the floral vanilla kind of spectrum. Also really nice from the Bare Tide Play, the Otis brand. Also comes with various other colors. Now this one has been kind of scratched and damaged from being in my purse and just kind of rolling around with other products, but it's also really nice, and both of them smell amazing. If I had to recommend only one, I'd say pick one of these up because it smells amazing. And again, if you're more into like that body spray teens kind of era, this is going to be your favorite as well. And as you can see, I've used up quite a bit of this perfume. It's really cute as well. Really love the packaging of this product. It's really cute. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray some on now. Yes, smells amazing. So I do pick up quite a few like headbands. I picked up this like Mickey Mouse ears, kind of like Disneyland ears dupe on Temu, and I have to say I'm very disappointed by this specific product. I think it was really inexpensive. It was like $2, but it's just like not even centered. As you can see, it's like slanted, but also the quality of the actual ears is just not great. It's very like cheaply made. Literally looks like it's gonna fall apart. It doesn't stay on the head either. It is very much like very flimsy, and it felt like it was gonna fall off at any second. I did go ahead and wear them for a full day, but didn't love them. Probably just gonna end up giving them away or throwing them out because they're just not cute at all, opposed to these, which I also have worn to Disneyland, and these are just way better. They stay on the head. They're very well made. Also, I think they're like the same price. So we have this one here, the Chip and Dale, and then we also have the Donald Duck, and both of them are so cute. So I definitely prefer to wear these because they're just better quality, and again, they don't like fall off your head because they're really well made, and they just adhere to your head really nicely. So these are definitely way better than that other dupe, but these are really good as well. Next we have the Baddie earrings. These are a newer purchase from Temu. So these are cute. I don't feel like they're well made at all. I think they're cute from afar, but when you look up close and personal, they're just like, I don't know, they're kind of cheapy looking, but again, from afar they look stunning. I threw them on in my haul video, and I think in my get ready with me video, and they're just really cute again from afar, but when you look at them up close, they're very cheaply made. And again, I just feel like these aren't gonna last me too long, and they're gonna eventually break because this little section here also is not that great. So I don't know. I thought these were cute. Again, I don't think they're gonna last me too long, but for the price, they're not bad. I don't know if I could recommend them though. Next we have the box cutter. It does have a little Hello Kitty on it. This one here was, I don't know what brand makes these, but basically it had a bunch of different variations. They also did have a pink one, really cute, and it's actually really well made where I use it all the time. I use it for boxes, I use it to open up makeup products, plastic, anything. It's like really nice and sharp, and it's just so cute, and it's very nice and like quick to find as well because it does have that little Hello Kitty head on it. Really cute. Basically just a box cutter, really quick and easy. Love using this, and I literally have used it so many times since I purchased it. I do also have some of their eyebrow razors, which I actually did use today because I did have like some unwanted eyebrow hairs growing out, and I like using this. Really quick and easy. They're really cute. I definitely needed to restock on these, and I just keep them back here somewhere, and they're really cute. Again, really beautiful color, really inexpensive. You can get a pack of 6 for like $2 or something. Amazing. So do have the mini razor, which I did purchase for my trip. I did go ahead and use this a couple times. I think I used it like maybe like 2 times on my trip. It's really cute. Basically just a travel size little razor. Comes with its own little plastic case, and actually did work out pretty well. So there's a look at that. It's really nice and handy. It's not like slippery at all. I thought because it is tiny that was gonna like fly all over the bathtub, but it was actually really cute, and I love that it came with its own little case because I didn't lose it. Really nice and sanitary, cute. I can see what it is. I just love it. So I'm definitely gonna have to reuse this again, and just like keep repurchasing from Temu because it was really inexpensive and it's just really cute quality. Great. Amazing. Also the little control case. Now it isn't the perfect size. As you can see, there is like some area right there, like it's not like the perfect size for this controller, but I really love that it's glow in the dark and also that it's pink. It's just really perfect. Really love the quality of the remote control. However, it's really nice. It is like a silicone kind of moment. Again, it is glow in the dark, so you can find it if you lose it under your bed or whatever. It's such a good product, and I'm glad that I purchased it. But again, it's not like the perfect fit for this remote control, so just keep that in mind. But I'm gonna have it down below if you want it for yourself. I think it's good. It's good quality, and I use it all the time. It's cute, and I just like it. So next product, this is actually the one that kind of sparked this idea for this video. This is their like spray bottle, and it's just not only a cute color, it's also a really nice product. It goes ahead and does like a more continuous spray. I didn't know that's what kind of spray this was, and it just does like a continuous spray, and it feels so nice on the skin. I heard somebody else say that they put like the rose water in here. You can put setting spray in here. It doesn't have to only be water. You can throw like hair oil or whatever you want in here, and it just feels so nice. It's such a lovely mist on the skin, and also for the hair I think it's perfect. So I really have been enjoying this product as well. So I also did buy a set of curtains, which I'll have a video footage right here. Looks amazing. It's such a beautiful color as well. It's a nice pink bath curtain with hearts on it, and it just looks beautiful, especially in the morning time when the sun is kind of coming in, and it just makes the whole restroom look pink. It's just really cute. So I'm gonna have footage of how that looks, and it was actually really perfect for me. Background streamers, so I did go ahead and buy some more of these. It's actually already on, so as you can see there's no more of that white coming through from the wall, and actually it was like the same exact color as the ones from Amazon, so perfect purchase as well. Really, I'm happy with those. And last product is this pillow. So it's basically just a lip pillow. Comes in various sizes and colors. Well, it comes in red and pink, but it does come in various sizes. I don't know what size this is specifically, but it's like the perfect size for me. I really have been enjoying it. I just throw it on my bed. It looks super cute, and it definitely goes with my decor. So this is definitely a purchase that I am happy with. It's really nice and squishy, really comfortable to sleep with. So yeah, another purchase that I really have been loving. All right, so that was the last product. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. Let me know if you want to keep watching these types of like lifestyle updates and products from Temu. Let me know in the comments down below. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.